Top 5 Things You Need to Know About Google Pixel 7. Hello and welcome to Tech Biggest YouTube channel. So, before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Google's Pixel 7 series is the company's flagship line for 2022. To our surprise, Google teased the upcoming series at its developer-focused I/O event. The 7 series includes 2 devices, the regular Pixel 7 and the flagship Pixel 7 Pro. 1. Display. Google already made a jump to a 120Hz 1440p LTPO display panel with the Pixel 6 Pro, and it's unclear whether the company will tweak things a bit on the Pixel 7 Pro. Also, we don't know if Google will modify the display size from the previous generation. At this point, anything could happen. 2. Battery capacity and charging. When buying any premium smartphone, 2 important things to consider are the battery and fast charging capabilities. These ensure that the device provides enough screen time and assure you that even if your battery dies, it won't take long before you are up and running again. Sadly, Google didn't care to include such vital details in its teaser. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro included 4614 mAh and 5003 mAh batteries, respectively, with 30W fast charging support, which was much slower than the competition. We'll have to wait and see if Google will bump up the battery capacity, fast charging rate, or both. 3. Camera hardware. The 2021 Pixel 6 series had massive camera improvements from the Pixel 5. And with the Pixel 7 series, Google is promising to set new standards for photography. But, for any mobile photography nerds out there, Google didn't brag about the specific lenses or sensors that the upcoming Pixel 7 Duo will use. Nonetheless, given that upgraded cameras were one of the best features of the Pixel 6 series, it's worth being excited about what Google has in store. We only know that Google will stick with the same number of cameras across the two. In other words, the Pixel 7 has 2 cameras on the rear while the Pro has 3. 4. Memory and storage. If you're wondering whether Google is finally making a jump to include 1 TB of onboard storage, the jury is still out. Despite the reveal, the tech giant didn't provide any hints on the amount of memory and storage available on the Pixel 7 series. The Google Pixel 6 Pro saw Google jumping to 256GB and 512GB of onboard storage. This was despite not including a storage expansion slot for several iterations of the Pixel. 5. Launch date. The Pixel 7 series will launch later in 2022, but there are no specific dates. So if you want to upgrade to the Pixel 7 from your Pixel 6 or older, you might have to wait a little longer. But while there's no official launch date, you can expect the series to launch in the second half of the year. The Pixel 6 was announced in October last year and went on sale at the end of that month.